here with Gravel Casual Bikepacking. Katy tour day 7, very last day. Klondike Park to Alton, Illinois. About 55 miles. Gonna get an early start, try to beat the heat. It's supposed to be about 100 today. First trailhead will be Madison, in about 3 miles. Just getting ready to leave Madison. Next stop is Weldon Springs, 4.6 miles. See you there. Weldon Springs, next stop, Greens Bottom trailhead, 10.3 miles. See you there. Just getting ready to leave Greens Bottom trailhead. Next stop is St. Charles, 6.2 miles. See you there. Just leaving St. Charles. Next stop is Black Walnut, 9.5 miles. See you there. Just leaving Black Walnut. Next stop is Hawkins. Last but not least, the last trailhead in 3 miles. See you there.